Look pretty darn good yourself. Out of 2,000 feet.
Flipper Houston, we got good color now, looking good.
Okay, Peter, I've got you at the third of a mile. 2,000.
Okay?
Looking good. How can you look so good when you're so ugly?
I don't know. You look awful good yourself. $1,500 feet, Dick.
Okay. Intrepid Houston, give us high bit rate, please.
Okay, Houston. Feet a second at 1,200 feet. Flipper. Right. No. Bows out there when you give a nice long thrust. Yes. 5 feet a second.
Okay, Pete, you're looking good. Keep it coming.
Okay. Feet. Better coast in. And in now. Huh? I'm punching this antenna. Okay, right now. Exterior light off. It's off. On the aft. On the left. On the aft.
Got you 300 feet.
Say again?
Got you 900 feet.
Yeah. I got 800.
Okay.
You're looking better all the time, Yankee.
Yeah, keep going. I still have some film left.
$500 feet.
Check. I've got you. 540.
Okay, I'm down to 3 feet a second.
tracker light on?
Oh, we'll turn it on for you.
You don't have one.
Okay, we'll turn it back off. Feet a second, Dick. 200 feet. Okay, the radar broke lock, Al. Will you take care of it? Yes. I'll go to the checklist. Okay. How do you read me, Dick?
I read last clear, Pete. You're looking awful good. Come here and bring the docking target back with you.
Say again?
Come here and bring the docking target back with you.
You're almost unreadable. Relay through Houston.
Roger, Deputy wants to know why you didn't bring the docking target with you.
Oh, I got it. On the top. Pete? Yeah. Let me start right there. Yeah, verb 34 enter. Okay, verb 34 enter. Let me put down that number. That'd be a good one to remember.
Hello, Houston, Clipper.
Clipper Houston, go. We can see thruster firings now.
Okay, am I clear for power alarm?
Your go for logic.
And I'll have the logic on for you in a minute. Okay, here's the logic.
Right there.
Clipper Houston, your go for pyro alarm and stand by to receive the skipper's gig.
Aye, aye, sir. Okay, Pete, why don't you let me finish this roll, huh?
Give you what?
Oh, let me finish this 180-degree roll, okay?
I don't understand what he's saying, Al. Do you understand? No.
Intrepid Houston, he's going to finish his roll maneuver now.
I'm working on it. All right. That's it, Chip. Two roll, Dick, and I'll fly wing like that.
Okay.
Look at that S-band antenna, his track. Looking from and I'm moving. Also, that is extremely interesting. Look at the cover on the driving. Huh? Okay, cover on what? Look at the umbilical cover. Do you suppose that's what got hit by lightning or something when on? Because it's brown? Look at the top of it's burned. Yep, I do believe that's what got hit. No, maybe it gets burned by other. Probably got to find out. That would be okay. Why don't you move over to the left a little bit, and I'll take a picture of it and take a look at it later.
Hey, can you drop down a little, Pete?
Can I do what?
Drop down?
Down. Yes, sir.
Yeah. towards the boom.
Towards where?
Towards the boom.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay, Pete.
How much further down do you want me to go?
Well, get down so I can see you. I was lost. I'm losing you now.
Don't have me?
No, get down towards the moon. You're going below me. Below the spacecraft.
Oh, I think he wants me to...
That's right. He's got to go down.
Sorry, when you say down, that's up to me, pal. I'm upside down.
I said towards the moon.
Sorry, I don't know where the moon is. I'm
Oh,
looking at you.
it's right there.
Now you see me?
Okay, go. I got you.
Okay.
Okay, do your maneuvering.
All right, let me stop my radio. Have you got it?
I got it.
You got it.
Okay, you need to pull both rendezvous radar circuit breakers.
Okay, wait just a second. Is the rendezvous radar in the right place?
It's at 320, which is where it should be.
Okay.
Got those out?
Rendezvous radar breakers are full.
Observer 44.
Intrepid Houston, if you get a chance, we would like that
All right.
picture.
We took it already, Houston.
Good show.
Only take it with our movie camera, but hey, he's got something sticking out around the top of him, too. We ought to take a look. Right up there?
And the top seat?
Wait a minute. I look at my checklist here.
All right.
Okay, overhead window. Take me the rest of that out.
Okay. External lighting to dock.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's it.
Okay, here I
wait.
come. Why don't you take a look at that, whatever's swinging on the top of the spacecraft, see it? It's probably part of the set package.
I bet it is. I bet you're right.
Get a
It's way
picture of
back
that?
at the back.
Get a picture of that?
Yeah, I tried to.
All right, Dick, I'm going to pitch over at 90 degrees now.
Okay, let's go. All right.
I'm going on the air.
Houston.
Roger, Intrepid.
Up the aft is where. Aft. I have them. But the antenna's okay. All right. It's y'all 90. And y'all You're right, Houston. Look, I'm going back to the TJ right now. And it.
Intrepid Houston, give us a low bit rate.
Okay.
Okay, Dick, now I'm going to yaw left 120.
Okay, go ahead. All right.
Okay.
Right.
30.
Here's the move.
60.
Beat. Ball, I know.
90. Okay.
Okay, there's another one, quick.
Okay, Burke 77. I got Burke 77, but I'll do it again.
Okay. What else? Okay.
That's all it is. Contact. After hard dock, both control both off. Okay? After the hard dock. Yep. Okay. Hit him through. Down there. Yeah.
Have a second, would you?
Hey, Richard, you didn't set up the rendezvous target for me.
Why do you want your picture taken instead?
Oh, okay.
Hey, we're looking good. Closing right on the money.
Okay. Looks good here. Okay. Looks good. Okay. Attaboy. Up a little bit. Yeah. Good, Dick. Wait, capture?
Capture.
Okay, go free.
Free.
Very good. That's good, Steve. Go ahead, Doc.
That's what I was supposed to do when I was free.
Yes, sir. You're looking good. As stable as a rock. Go ahead.
Wait a minute, just let me stabilize a little bit.
Okay, it looks pretty stable to me.
Think so, huh?
Huh?
I want to pitch it down just a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Let the dynamics die out just a little.
Okay. It's hardly moving at all.
Yeah, with the target, I want to get it come down a little bit.
Okay. Steady as a rock.
Okay, I'm getting it down there with the attitude.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
You ready to retract?
I'm ready to retract.
Okay, Charlie Brown. Here you go.
Okay.
And you're home free, boy.
Okay,
that's
motor
red.
control switches are off, pal, and you got it.
Thank you, thank you.
Super job, Richard. That was smooth, wasn't even a wrinkle. Okay, you get a checklist there. Now, okay, low control lag that hold. Ag that hold. ID control 3 of them hold. Oh, guidance control ag. Guidance control ag. Dead band max. Dead band max. Balance couple on. Balance couples on. Verify forward bump down auto.
Hello, Houston, Clipper.
Clipper Houston, go.
448.
Roger, that's the end of the TV show. We've got some work to do.
Roger.